A guide to using significant figures. Rules for zeros. If the zero is in the middle of a number, it will be significant. For example, 104 has 3 significant figures. 2008 has 4 significant figures, and 40,404 has 5 significant figures. What if the zero is at the beginning of the number? In this case, it will never be significant. For example, 0.04 has 1 significant figure. 0.00000048 has 2 significant figures, and 0.0000000004 has 1 significant figure. What if the zero's at the end? Well, in this case, it depends. If there is no decimal, it will not be significant. So the number 100 has 1 significant figure. The number 1010 has 3 significant figures. Because this zero in the middle is significant, our rule of in the middle is significant. For 880,000, 2 significant figures. If the number is at the end with a decimal, then it becomes significant. So the number 100.0 has 4 significant figures. The number 1010.0, 5 significant figures. And the number 880,000 has 7 significant figures. How about if you're doing a calculation? The first question you want to ask yourself is, what are you doing? Adding and subtracting? Or are you multiplying and dividing? Let's look at adding and subtracting first. The rule is only look at digits after the decimal. Significant figures. So a digit is any number, including 0. So the example, 880,000.06 plus 0.0331 would give you 880,000.0931, but with our rules, we see that the first number only has 2 digits after the decimal, while the second one has 4, which means we need to round our answer to the one that has the least amount, which is the one that only has 2. So our answer rounds to 880,000.09 with 2 significant figures or 2 digits after the decimal. Look at multiplying and dividing. Look at all significant figures and round to the least amount total. So we're going to look at 880,000.06, this time times 0.0331. When we multiply these together, we get 29,128.00199. To look at the significant figures and round to the least amount total, well, this one has 8 significant figures, and this one has 3. So 3 is the least amount of significant figures total, so we must round our answer to have that many significant figures. So this answer rounds to 29,100. Now, to get that answer, we start with our first significant figure, which would be the 2. Since we need to round to 3 significant figures, we find our second significant figure and then our third significant figure, and we round to that point. We need to keep the zeros in order to keep it equivalent to 29,000. Zeros at the end of a number are not significant unless there is a decimal. So do not put a decimal point in your answer, and you will have 3 significant figures.